I came out this morning to make a video to show you how well my hanging basket tomato seedlings had done. 5 out of the 6 seeds I planted had come up, but then to my shock and horror, I come out and find something's bitten their heads off. I could have nearly cried. I have this one here left out of the 6 seeds. So I'm going to have to find some way to keep the birds out of these. I mean, I'm in a hanging basket 6 feet off the ground. What else could it be? Except a bird. Why a bird would want to take the head off of my tomatoes, I got no idea, but it's a crying shame. Look at that. Anyhow, that is the hanging basket update. They're growing, they growed. Now they're not growing and I've got one left. Fingers crossed for this little bloke here. He's still got the seed head on him. Anywho, cheers.